Hi Afrikaans friends, welcome back. Here's another fun adventure. Today we're going to learn how to count in Afrikaans. Let's learn to count in Afrikaans. Kom ons leer tel in Afrikaans. Are you ready? I've got some fun pictures lined up. I hope you're going to enjoy, and remember, if you get stuck or if you're not sure, you can always pause the video and you can always rewind and do it again. So let's get started, and I'll guide you through each one. So you stick with me and we're going to have some fun. Ready? Let's go. Our first number is number 1. Can you find the hidden number 1 in the picture? And also we're looking for one monster truck. And I'm sure you're going to find it really quickly. Let's practice our word number 1 in Afrikaans. The word is een. Can you say een? 1. Een. And once you've found this, we'll move on to the next one. Otherwise, pause the video if you're having a problem until you can find the number 1 and the monster truck. 1, een. Did you manage to find them? Well done. Okay, so now you know how it works. Let's move on and let's see what's in our next picture. Our next number is the number 2. Can you say 2 and in Afrikaans, 2? Let's practice saying that whilst you look for 2 yellow fish. I'm sure you're going to find this really easy. So let's practice our numbers. 2 and 2. 2 is the number 2 in Afrikaans. And also don't forget now to look for the hidden number 2. So we want 2 yellow fish and a hidden number 2, the actual number. I'm sure you're going to get the hang of this really quickly, and then you'll see it's really fun along the way. I won't talk too much in the next picture, okay? Is that a deal? Let's go! Did you find them? The 2 yellow fish and the hidden number 2? Let's move on to our next number, which is number 3. Okay, Teacher Bob says, can you find my 3 missing apples, please? 3. The Afrikaans number for 3 is 3. Can you find 3 red apples? 3 and 3. Teacher Bob will be so happy if we can help him find his apples. And don't forget to find the actual number 3. It's also hidden in the picture. We'll see you in the next one. Let's keep going. Oh dear. I think Teacher Bob looks a bit silly with an apple on his nose. What do you think? Well done, children, if you found all 3 apples and the missing number 3. Remember, 3 in Afrikaans. Let's keep moving. I think Scientist Fred looks like he's lost something. I think some of the insects have escaped from their cages. What do you think, children? Can you find 4 insects? And in Afrikaans, the number 4. We are looking for 4 insects and the number 4. Also, see if you can find the hidden number 4 somewhere in the picture. And if you get it all right, you're on track to becoming an Afrikaans expert. Well done, keep it up. Remember, hard work always pays off in the end. Oh my, you really are doing an amazing job, children. Keep it up, keep it up. Scientist Fred is so grateful that you helped him find his 4 missing insects. And the number is 4. Practice saying it with me. 4. Wonderful. Let's move on and see what's next in store. Oh, yummy. This is a very delicious one. Are you ready, children? Let's find 5 ice creams. 5 is our number in Afrikaans. We are looking for 5. 5 ice creams. And in Afrikaans, the word for ice cream is roomys. Oh my goodness, so delicious. But we are looking for the number 5. See if you can find that and the hidden ice creams. And see which one is your favorite flavor. I know mine is chocolate. Hint, hint. I hope you found them all quickly. We don't want any melting going on. Excellent job. We looked for the number 5. Faith. Did you find all of them? Did you find faith? ice creams or 5 roomese. Well done, children. Let's go on. You know what number's coming next. Oh dear, the poor little kitties look so tired out. Now see if you can find 6 sleeping kitties. And the number in Afrikaans is 6. 6 little kitties sleeping, and we are looking for 6. Kata, 6 is the number in Afrikaans. See if you can find them quickly, because we want to move on to the next one. You're doing so well. I think you're really getting the hang of it now. Keep it up. Well done. Did you find all 6? Did you find 6, Kata? We need to be quiet so we don't wake them up. Let's move on and leave the 6, Kata, sleeping peacefully. Hi ho, and off to sea we go. Well, children, never mind my terrible singing. Can you find 7 seashells on the pirate ship? We are looking for the number 7. In Afrikaans, the number 7 is 7. Let's see if you can find all 7 shells in record time. And you don't forget to do it in Afrikaans always. We're looking for 7. Keep it up. I'm very proud of how well you're doing. Very, very good work. I'm sure you managed that with absolute ease because you're becoming such an expert now at this. So well done. Let's move on to the next number, which is going to be, you guessed it, number 57. Am I right? Oh, no, silly Billy. Of course it's number 8. Let's go. Our 8 little friends are wondering if you will come out and play with them today. Can you find 8 little friends in the forest? Our Afrikaans number is 8. And this is a funny one. We've got to say that funny sound in the back of our throat. So let's practice together. We are looking for 8 vriende. 8 vriende. Let's see if you get all 8 friends before I do. I hope you're getting it right, because I'm a little stuck with this one. Oh my goodness, let's see where they are. Did you find all 8 of your new little friends? 8 vriende. 8 vriende. And of course, the hidden number on the tree. Don't forget to be looking for the hidden numbers. How about a little game? I think it's time to find 9 balls and see if the ball that you like to play with is here. We are looking for 9 balls. 9 balle. Again, that sound, so practice with me. 9 balle. 9 balls. This one's super easy, but don't forget to look for the missing number 9 also. And let me know if you found the ball that you like to play with, which is your favorite. 9 balle. So which one was your favorite, children? Which of the 9 balls did you find first? Which of the 9 balle did you find first? And did you have any problems? I'm sure you didn't. That was way too easy. Okay, here comes the last number. Oh dear, Dr. Dave has lost all his plasters, children. Can you help him find 10 plasters? And in Afrikaans, 10 pleisters. We are looking to help Dr. Dave find all 10 pleisters. And say the word with me whilst you're looking. 10 pleisters. And if you find them all, he's going to give you a lollipop for helping. He'll be so happy. Well done, that's it. We've come to the end of another adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this. And on the next video, we're going to do something else fun. Now let's practice all of our numbers together as we look at the final picture. Let's put together everything we've learned. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. I hope you got them all right, and remember, keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!